Hello guys, here is a 1993 Hunter Coastal Breeze ceiling fan, and this is the one that I got about 2 years ago at the Restore and paid $40 for it new in box. And that is in 2023, not 2025, where fans are getting even more expensive now. So I decided to put this one up in my garden shed, and I think it's going to stay here because I really like the white finish. I mean, the lights in here are white, and I think it goes really well with that. The fan that I had here before this was one of the Seabrook Hill Alexis ceiling fans, which honestly is more or less a heritage Alexis. I mean, the model name is not Alexis, but I'm just calling it that because I think Seabrook Hill and Heritage do have a correlation to each other. It's just Seabrook Hill took over Heritage around 2002 or so. So I have this fan hooked up to this 5-speed control, but I'm going to take that with a grain of salt because this control is not very reliable with fans, at least that one. Maybe it goes well with like a Crompton Greaves or something, which I hope I can get soon. So I'm going to show you guys with this control on high, but I'm going to do the pole change settings. This is going to be kind of a kilowatt statistics thing. This is low. This fan is allowed to draw about 0.85 amps, although I do find that Hunter's ratings are quite inaccurate. But I suppose in a good way. I mean, if you are one that really cares about money and electric bills, like how I will probably be in a few years from now when I actually get my own house, and I'm the one paying the bills, which I'm not looking forward to, by the way. So this is low speed, and it's drawing 0.21 amps. And you're feeling a nice gentle draft on low. Here's medium. And on medium, the fan is drawing 0.37 amps. And this is what I would say a good medium speed. Maybe it should be a touch above, but I'm pretty happy with this speed. And now full blast. And this thing right here this thing pushes out pretty good air. And on high, we're drawing 0.55 amps, so that's 0.3 amps lower than what this thing is allowed to draw. And this thing's pretty strong. I know this is kind of messy, but it's blowing the bubble wrap around that I used to pack this fan 2 years ago. This thing's moving pretty good air for, well, at the time would be an El Cheapo. Now, I don't think Hunter was inherently a cheap brand in the 90s. I think that this would have been I've been told this would have been the budget model for Hunter, which is why I called it an El Cheapo, because this would have been considered the budget fan. However, about 32 years later, this thing is still running good. I mean, of course, this is new in the box. And now off. Well, there you have it. The kilowatt statistics of this 52-inch Hunter Coastal Breeze ceiling fan. Thank you. Have a nice day.